Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tricky Notes. Students, today we will be discussing something very important to the school students, tables from 10 to 100 within 5 seconds. So if you understand what I am saying today, if you see the video completely, understand the concept very clearly that I will be explaining you can answer all the tables from 10 to 100 within 5 seconds. Let's see how. We know one concept, that is the traditional concept which has been told to us in school days. बचपन में स्कूल में बताया गया था. So in that concept what happens, let's take one example, 45 into 4. We'll compare that with the Vedic mathematics concept today. In Vedic mathematics concept is very different from the traditional concept. In traditional concept you calculated from right to left. But in Vedic mathematics concept, it is always from left to right. You will be calculating from left to right. And why Vedic mathematics concept is very effective? Because our human brain is always calculating from left to right. It's not from right to left. When you are multiplying 45 into 4, according to the traditional method, what has been told to us is 5 into 4, 20, 4 into 4 is 16, now this is 0, this is 8, this is 1, this is 180. Now this place is left. Why? To put a 0. We are not putting 0 in the traditional method, but that place is left because that place is for the 0. That has not been told to us. Now let's see what happens in Vedic mathematics concept. In Vedic mathematics concept, there is a very important thing we need to understand, that is place value. What is a place value? This is the unit place. This is the tens place. Accordingly, we have 100 place, 1000 place after that. Tens, units place and tens place. Now, the 5 is 5 here because 5 into unit is 5. But the 4 is not 4, it is 40 because 4 into tens place 10. 4 into 10 is 40. So remember the place value concept. The place value concept says a number is not the original number when it is multiplied to the place value. 5 is 5 all the time. But 4 into 4 is not 4. 4 into 4 is not 16 because that is not actually 4, that is 40. So that is 160. It's 40, not 4. Now 160 plus 5 into 4 is 20. Now the answer is 180. That is very clear and obvious. So when I'll ask you the numbers, 4 into 4, that is not 4, that is 40 into 4, that is 160. Now I'll tell you few more numbers where you will be telling me the place value. And let's see, 67. 7 is 7. The unit place 7 is 7, but this is not 6, this is 60. Remember, one more, 82. 2 is 2 because it is in the unit place, but 8 is, it's not 8, it is 80. So students, place value is more important. Let's go to some examples where we will be solving. Understand the concept very carefully so that we can do it. 17 into 4. Now this is not 1. This is 10. From left to right, let's multiply. Now this is not 1. 1 into 4 is 4, but this is not 1. This is 10 into 4, that is 40. 10 into 4 is 40. Now plus 4 into 7, that is 28. So 40 plus 28 is 68. It's very clear, very easy. Now I'll tell you something. Understanding the concept is more important. Don't be in a hurry to solve the answers very fast. Okay, accuracy is more important than speed. Okay, if you are answering very fast but the answer is wrong, no use. But if you are answering correct, that will give you marks. Let's go to one more. 26 into 5. Now friends, this is not 2, that is 20. So 20 into 5 is 100. Plus 6 into 5 is 30. This is 130. Now I hope you understood. One more example. 34 into 7, that is not 3. As I told you, that is 30. 3 into 7 is 21, but 30 into 7 is 210. So that is 210 plus 7 into 4 is 28. This we can calculate orally by mind. Okay, 238. One more example, 42 into 6. Now that is not 4, that is, as I told you, that is 40. 40 into 6, 240 plus this is 12, 252. That also you can calculate orally, friends. Last example, 66 into 3. 6 into 3, 18, but this is 60. So 60 into 3 is 180. Now 6 into 3 is 18. 180 plus 18 is 198. That is your answer. Now see, I am not taking even 5 seconds also. So if you practice, you can even say within 5 seconds. But as a beginner, I am giving you 5 seconds. You can calculate all the things orally. Try to calculate orally. Have a brain exercise. The more you practice, you will be more faster. Now here is a test for you. Now this is your accuracy test. Okay. Now more than speed, I'll be testing your accuracy. So to answer this, we have 4 questions. To answer this, you have 20 seconds and your time starts now. Okay, time up. Let's see the answers. Okay, now this is 72 into 8. So that is 560 plus 12, that is 572. That is 16. 8 into 2 is 16. As I told you, if you be very fast, you may make these kind of mistakes. So concentrate on accuracy. Now 98 into 6, 9 into 6, 54, this is 5, 40 plus 48, 588. I did it orally and without writing. Okay, let's write for you. 540 plus 48, 588. Now 84 into 7, 8 into 7, 56, 560. Now 560 plus 47, 4 into 7, that is 28. So 560 plus 28, 588 orally. Okay, 560 plus 28, 588 orally. Let's calculate orally. Practice in your mind. 9 into 8, 720, that is 90. Okay, so 7 to 8 into 2, 16, 736 is your answer. This is 588, this is 588, this is 576. Now students, 4 on 4, how many of you have got 4 on 4 is very good. Now those who have got 4 out of 4, you can put your names in the comment box. Okay, congratulations. So concentrate while doing all these things, practice. Subscribe our channel so that you can see videos like this. Okay, like our videos, comment whatever you feel like. So thank you very much, students.